Hi everyone, is airplane mode stuck on your iPhone and not turning off? Don't worry, here are some easy fixes. Step 1, turn airplane mode off. First, tap the airplane mode switch. If it does not turn off, move to the next step. Step 2, restart your iPhone. Now, restart your iPhone. This can fix small network glitches. Step 3, turn airplane mode on and off again. After restarting, turn airplane mode on for a few seconds. Then turn it off again. Step 4, update iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available update. Step 5, reset network settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, Reset network settings. This often fixes network related issues. Step 6, remove and reinsert SIM card. If airplane mode is still stuck, remove your SIM card, wait a few seconds and insert it again. And that's it. These steps should fix airplane mode stuck on iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more easy iPhone tips.